Process EDM05 has three practices which are: evaluate stakeholder reporting requirements, direct stakeholder communication and reporting, and monitor stakeholder communication. The second practice, which is direct stakeholder communication and reporting, receives one input, which is the risk analysis report for the stakeholders from process AP012. It generates two outputs, which are the rules for validating mandatory reports used by the MEA1 and 3 processes, and the escalation guidelines used by process MEA1. The activities of this practice include directing the establishment of the stakeholder communication strategy, directing the implementation of measures to ensure that mandatory reporting criteria are met, and establishing mechanisms to validate mandatory reporting and escalation mechanisms. The third practice, which is monitor stakeholder communication, receives the assurance review report and results from the MEA2 process, and generates the assessment of reporting effectiveness, used by processes MEA1 and 3. This practice includes periodical assessments of the mechanisms to ensure the accuracy of mandatory reporting, and periodical assessments to ensure the effectiveness of stakeholder communications. Finally, the practice includes activities to ensure that the stakeholder requirements are met. Other sources that provide more insights into this process include the King 3 standard, the COSO framework, and the ISO 38500 standard.